But on the way there, I want to talk about a sick company, which is Saints of Speed. Saints of Speed makes super sweet gloves. So the gloves I'm wearing right now are from Saints of Speed. Shout out Saints of Speed. They actually sent me a couple different gloves over to try out and review. So right now I'm rocking the 70s gloves, and they're super nice. Now, one thing I'll say is I actually bought Saints of Speed gloves like 2 years ago, so long before. It's my famous Krispy Kreme gloves. They also sent me the Aloha, which is a sort of Hawaiian tropical pear. They also sent me a black paisley glove, which is just a paisley design. So it's black gloves, white paisley design, super cool. They sent me the Glazers, my favorite Krispy Kreme style gloves. They sent me these 70s. I love the gloves. They're so sweet. So I already look like a clown riding around on this little mini bike. So why not one up it and get some really bright kind of catch your eye type gloves? So I love them.